Elon Musk has made an announcement that has shaken the foundations of the entire EV industry. The new battery technology that Tesla has unveiled is not just a technical upgrade. It is the beginning of a new revolution. Musk has made a battery breakthrough that was only imagined for years a reality. Tesla's new condensed battery is now officially revealed, and it's not just about charging speed or battery life. It's about energy density at a level that was only in theory until now. Imagine a full charge in just 15 minutes. And that too with so much power that your car's range doubles. This is no longer a dream. It is now a technological reality. Old battery designs like cylindrical cells and tear-free coatings have now reached new heights. Especially the aluminum-ion technology, which is the backbone of this condensed battery, not only makes charging fast, but also makes its price and durability great. And the biggest question, will this leave Chinese battery companies behind? Are CAT and BYD now in danger? Musk's new move is not just an innovation, but also a strategic move. At a time when there is a deliberate attempt to suppress this information on social media, Musk himself has come forward to reveal this technology. So what exactly is this condensed battery of Tesla? How does it work? And why will it change the direction of the EV market? You will get the answers to all these questions in this video. But before that, if you want to stay at the forefront of the world of technology, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because the information coming ahead can change the way you think. Before we dive into Elon Musk's game-changing battery, let's take a step back in time. When Tesla started, there was a lot of skepticism about electric vehicles. People believed that battery-powered cars would never be as powerful or reliable as petrol or diesel vehicles. But Elon Musk was determined to break this notion. Tesla's real strength lay not in its cars, but in the batteries that powered them. Initially, Tesla worked with Panasonic on traditional lithium-ion cells, the same cylindrical 18,650 batteries used in laptops. But Musk knew that if electric cars were to be adopted, worldwide changing car design alone would not do. The battery itself would have to be rethought. In 2016, Tesla made its biggest chess move in the form of the Gigafactory. This decision made it clear that Musk wanted to control battery production on a large scale himself. The goal of the Gigafactory was not just to reduce costs, but to develop the technology to design new batteries and produce them cheaply at scale. That's where the 2,170 cells came from. More energy, better cooling, and longer life. But Elon Musk didn't stop there. At Battery Day 2020, he announced the 4,608 cells, bigger, more powerful, and with a tablet design, a glimpse into the future. The core technology of these batteries has not only changed the size, but the manufacturing process, energy density, and cost have been completely redesigned. And now, in 2025, Tesla has introduced the condensed battery, the fulfillment of Elon Musk's decades-old dream. The condensed battery is not just a new technology, it's the result of a journey that began 15 years ago. It incorporates innovations like aluminum-ion and tableless core design, which have drastically reduced charging times and increased range tremendously. Energy density is so high that you can get more power in less space, and costs are lower than ever before. Tesla has shown that real change happens when you reinvent not just the product, but its soul, the battery. And all of this is due to the vision, passion, and risk-taking ability of Elon Musk. Elon Musk's new energy revolution. What is Tesla's condensed battery? Just imagine if a battery is so powerful that it can cover long distances in a small size without increasing weight and without heating up. This is the technological miracle that Elon Musk has now brought out in the form of condensed battery. But what exactly is this condensed battery? Is it just a word play, or is there really a big scientific revolution hidden behind it? Let's understand this in very simple language. Actually, condensed battery is an advanced energy system that has surpassed the limitations of traditional lithium-ion batteries. Its biggest wonder is high energy density. That is the ability to store more energy in less space. This means that the range of the car will increase. The battery will be smaller and lighter, and charging will not have to be done again and again. But how is all this possible? The answer to this is a new anode technology, silicon nanowire. While normal batteries use graphite anodes, Tesla has gone beyond that and adopted silicon nanowires, which can hold more lithium ions. This increases the battery's capacity manifold that too in the same size. But the story doesn't end here. Tesla's condensed battery uses solid-state electrolyte instead of liquid electrolyte. That is a solid material that transfers electrons inside the battery. This almost eliminates the risk of problems like leakage, overheating, or blast. Not only this, a new high-nickel cathode has also been included in this battery, in which the use of cobalt has been reduced to a great extent. Cobalt is not only expensive, but is also considered dangerous for the environment. High-nickel cathode reduces the cost of the battery and improves both its performance and safety. Elon Musk claims that in the future, these batteries will power not only Tesla cars, but also aerospace robotics and energy storage systems. That is, if you thought that EV technology has reached its peak, then wait. Condensed batteries are actually the beginning of a revolution that is going to change the rules of the entire auto industry. Power of the future. 4 unseen superpowers of Tesla's condensed battery. Now that you understand what Tesla's condensed battery is all about, let's take a look at its secret weapons that take it miles ahead of other batteries. It is not just a technological upgrade, but signals a whole revolution for electric vehicles, energy storage, and even space technology. First, let's talk about its energy density, that is packing more energy in less space. Tesla's new battery can hold 50% more energy in the same unit volume compared to its 4,680 cells. The direct impact of this is that EVs will now have a longer range than before. Power storage systems in homes will become more reliable, and in the future, this technology can reach airplanes and rockets. The second amazing thing is its fast charging capability. Compared to conventional batteries, this new battery can be fully charged in 70% less time. That too, without overheating or any drop in performance. This is possible thanks to its solid-state electrolyte and advanced thermal management system, which handle high currents with ease. This means that your electric vehicle will now be ready as fast as you drink a cup of coffee. The third thing is longevity, which is what every battery user wants, due to the silicon nanowire anode and solid electrolyte. This battery is saved from the slow death called dendrites that kills conventional batteries. This means that this battery can retain its capacity for millions of kilometers, eliminating the hassle of frequent battery replacement and also saving money for the vehicle owner. And finally, comes safety, which has been Tesla's biggest priority. Solid-state batteries are much safer than liquid electrolytes, as the risk of fire leakage or blast is greatly reduced. Silicon nanowire technology also prevents thermal runaway, making this condensed battery from Tesla one of the safest batteries today. In fact, it is not just a battery, but a future power unit which is ready to give new momentum to the EV revolution. Technology's turning point. How Tesla's condensed battery will change our world. Imagine if a car runs 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. Mobile do not need charging for weeks, and a small battery in your house can light up the whole neighborhood. All this is no longer just a fantasy. Tesla's condensed battery is going to turn all this into reality. This is not just a technological leap, but a revolution that is going to touch everything from electric vehicles to the smartphone in your pocket. The first impact will be seen in electric cars, where the fear of range anxiety is now going to become history. Tesla's new battery has so much energy density that cars can run more than 600 miles without increasing size or weight. This means that the hassle of searching for a charging station and frequent charging is now over. But range is not everything. The condensed battery is also going to reduce the cost of electric vehicles because it greatly reduces the need for expensive and rare metals like cobalt and reduces the production cost per kilowatt hour. This will make EVs no longer just the choice of the rich, but will also appear in the garages of middle-class families. This will increase the pace of adoption of green energy manifold. But the real game does not end here. Tesla's batteries are also touching industries that were in the background till now. Smartphones, laptops, home storage systems, even solar energy grids and electric airplanes, all are now going to have the same power that Tesla's vehicles have. In the future, it is also possible to have a phone that can run comfortably for 10 days on a single charge, and a battery installed in the wall of the house can support the entire block. And the most interesting thing, this is just the beginning. This innovation of condensed batteries is actually the first key to the door that will take us to even more unique technologies of the future, like quantum batteries energy, dense supercapacitors, and AI-controlled energy storage units. What Tesla is doing today will form the basis for the whole world tomorrow. And perhaps this is the moment where we have started moving towards a new energy revolution. Biggest challenges of Tesla condensed battery. Even though Tesla's condensed battery has the potential to change the world, like every great technology, it also faces many unseen obstacles. It is not just a new battery, but a new thinking, a new system, and a rebuilding of the entire supply chain. And as with every revolution, the path is not easy. The first challenge is the complexity of manufacturing. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, condensed batteries involve high-tech elements like silicon nanowires and solid-state electrolytes, which are not easy to manufacture at a large scale. Their manufacturing process is not only extremely sensitive, but it also requires very special equipment and clean room conditions. This is why bringing production to gigafactory level will be one of the toughest strategic battles for Elon Musk right now. The second big wall is the availability and stability of materials. Yes, Tesla is now moving away from toxic and expensive elements like cobalt, but the need for silicon, lithium, and other high-purity materials has increased a lot, and all of these things are available in limited quantities on Earth. In such a situation, Tesla will have to create a sustainable and reliable supply chain from countries that are already embroiled in environmental and political disputes over mining. The third challenge is the cost of R&D, prototyping, and scaling of new technology is always high. Even though Tesla's vision today is that batteries should become cheaper, this technology will remain expensive in the beginning. Tesla will have to gradually reduce the cost by using innovative methods like automation, 3D printing, and manufacturing, so that it can come within the reach of common people. The fourth and most sensitive challenge is government approval and safety standards. It is not so easy to get approval for new technology from the automobile, aviation, or energy regulators of a country. Every government has its own testing process, safety codes, and certifications. Tesla will have to prove that its battery is not only powerful, but also 100% safe as per the policy of each country. And finally, there's the consumer's opinion. The common man does not adapt to new things quickly. It takes time to build trust. Even today, many people have not fully adopted EVs, and now another new technology has come in front of them. In such a situation, Tesla will have to not only tell its customers its features, but also show through real-world tests, experience, and trust building that this battery is not only futuristic, but also reliable. Tesla's condensed battery is the key to a new world. To reach that door, Elon Musk will have to fight a deep strategic battle with science, supply, market, government, and society. But history shows this. When Musk makes a promise, he doesn't back out. Tesla's condensed battery versus BYD, from battery wars to automobile revolution. When it comes to innovation, Tesla and BYD are two names that stand at the forefront of the EV world. But now, with the arrival of Tesla's new condensed battery, the entire automotive industry is standing at the threshold of a new era. This is not just a technological leap, but a strategic move that will not only make Tesla faster in the EV race, but will also show a new path to battery technology around the world. This new condensed battery from Tesla is going to further strengthen the company's hold in the market, already established as a technology icon in the auto industry. Tesla is now sending a strong message to its competitors, especially emerging giants like BYD. The future is in the hands of those who change first. While BYD has captured a large share of the market today with affordable and reliable EVs, Tesla is now preparing to take back the ground on the strength of quality and technological superiority. BYD's strength lies in its robust battery supply chain and mass production capability, but Tesla's game plan is to change the game with science. The solid-state technology silicon nanowire anode and high-nickel cathode used in the condensed battery take it several levels above the traditional LFP lithium iron phosphate batteries that BYD currently relies on. This technology will act as a trigger point in the EV industry. This new battery from Tesla offers such a long range, such fast charging, and such high safety that it will be almost impossible for other companies to ignore it. While BYD has been building customer satisfaction with cars with a range of 400 to 500 kilometers till date, Tesla is now moving towards offering vehicles that will run more than 600 meters, about 960 kilometers that too, without any range anxiety. This move by Tesla will impact the entire EV industry. This will force all automobile companies that are still relying on the old battery model, be it traditional companies of Japan or luxury brands of Europe. When Tesla starts using this battery in its products, customer expectations will also change. People will now consider more range, less charging time, and long battery life as a normal standard. The success of Tesla will not be limited to itself. It will also affect the trends of battery technology. In the coming times, researchers will consider Tesla's condensed battery as a new benchmark and move their research forward in that direction. This will accelerate the work on supercapacitors, quantum batteries, and other hyperdense energy systems. While BYD is currently ruling the market by relying on cheap batteries and large scale, this innovation of Tesla can give it a clear lead in the long-term game. It is exactly like Apple. In the smartphone world, not only made products, but also set the direction of the entire industry. With this, the entire scenario of the automobile industry will now change. The more Tesla and BYD clash over batteries, the faster the development will be. As EVs become more affordable and reliable, ICE internal combustion engine vehicles will come to an end. Tesla's battery can become a key pivot in every technology from hybrid to fully electric. When history will be written in the future about when the EV revolution really gained momentum, Tesla's condensed battery will be considered a turning point. And this will not be just a technological victory, but the reality of Elon Musk's vision that always says, we want to make the Earth better through technology, through sustainability. Revolutionary uses of Tesla condensed battery. To truly understand Tesla's condensed battery, we need to look not just at its technical aspects, but also at its potential uses and impact on everyday life. Just imagine what it would be like If Tesla's next Model S is equipped with this new battery and travels more than 700 meters on a single charge. It's not just about range, it's about redefining the entire travel experience. Drivers will not have to look for charging stations again and again. The journey will be longer and the charging time will be much less. That means long journeys will no longer be a burden, but a comfortable experience. Now let's talk about how deep the impact of this technology on our energy independence can be. If it is installed in energy storage systems installed in homes, when condensed batteries are used in home batteries like Tesla's Powerwall, the storage of solar energy in homes will be even more. The energy people generate from solar during the day will be able to be stored overnight, which will reduce electricity bills and also reduce dependence on the external grid. Also, the long life and low maintenance cost of these batteries will make it very economical in the long run. Now imagine this battery in the world of smartphones and laptops. We're tired of charging these devices every day. But with the arrival of this battery from Tesla, phones and laptops that run for several days on a single charge can become common. Not only will the battery life increase, but its compact design will make these devices thinner, lighter, and more powerful, making portability even easier. This is not just a matter of convenience, but a sign of a new digital age where devices will go beyond our thoughts. It doesn't end here. Its use in grid storage systems can make the energy needs of entire cities stable and smart. When more energy can be stored in a smaller size, renewable sources like solar and wind energy can be managed more efficiently. This will reduce power cuts, stop energy wastage, and move us towards a cleaner energy system. And if you think Tesla's batteries are only useful on land, imagine what would happen if this technology is used in aircraft. The dream of electric aviation is now closer than ever, and Tesla's condensed battery can create prototypes that not only travel longer distances, but also carry more payloads. This will not only make air travel cheaper and more sustainable, but will also reduce air pollution drastically. While BYD has so far been mostly engaged in automobile-focused battery development, Tesla is transforming this battery technology into a multi-pronged application from cars to homes, mobiles to planes. So it is clear that condensed batteries are not just an innovation, but the foundation of a multi-sector energy revolution that is going to reshape our entire lifestyle in the years to come. When an announcement shook the entire industry, reactions and impact on Tesla's condensed battery announcement has caused a stir in the technology and automobile world. This was not an ordinary launch, but a turning point from which the entire future of battery technology turned in a new direction. This astonishing technological leap by Elon Musk has not only thrilled consumers, but has also forced analysts, competitors, and governments to think whether this new chapter of energy storage has really opened. Now, experts believe that this battery of Tesla is not only a better way to store energy, but can change the way energy is used and transferred. Many tech and auto industry analysts have even called it the iPhone moment of the battery industry, where one technology turns everything upside down. At the same time, some experts also believed that if this technology is successfully scaled, then the market of traditional lithium-ion batteries can be left far behind in the coming years. On the other hand, this leap by Tesla has given sleepless nights to competing companies. Companies such as BYD, LG Energy, Panasonic, CL, and others are now feeling the double pressure on their R&D departments. BYD, which had captured the market with cheap and affordable battery options, now seems to be strategically put on the back foot by Tesla's advanced technological move. Although some competitors like BYD have also seen this opportunity as a possible partnership or licensing with Tesla. Most companies have now started working rapidly on their own next-generation battery technology. The world's big EV brands have now realized that if they want to stay in this race, they will have to innovate not only on range and price, but also by going deeper into the technology. While there is panic in the industry, there is tremendous enthusiasm among the common people about this battery. Customers who till now considered EV as just a vehicle that takes time to charge are now looking at it in a new way. Longer range, faster charging, less maintenance, and better safety. All these are now starting to look closer to reality. There's a lot of curiosity about this battery, especially among the tech-savvy youth and those who are thinking of adopting EV for the first time. Not only this, in segments like home energy storage and portable devices, customers are now very positive about incorporating this technology of Tesla in their lives. But the newer the technology, the more stringent the regulatory processes become. Tesla's condensed battery is yet to be tested on safety, durability, and environmental standards in different countries of the world. Because it is a solid electrolyte-based system, some of the risks associated with it also need to be understood in depth. For example, concerns are being raised about its behavior at extreme temperatures. Governments and international agencies will also have to ensure that the environmental impact of this battery is minimal, so that its large-scale use is in accordance with the principles of sustainable development. Tesla will also have to be cautious in this direction, that it participates in all testing and certification processes with transparency and keeps making necessary improvements from time to time. Looking at this entire chain of reactions, it is clear that Tesla's condensed battery has not just given a product, but has given a new direction, a new challenge, and a new inspiration to the industry. This technology is no longer just an achievement of one company, but has become the beginning of something that will define the energy revolution of the next decade. Whether it is the response of competitors, the support of consumers, or the testing of governments from every angle, this battery is giving birth to a new thinking. If you like this information and want to be the first to get such unique and insightful stories related to technology, then definitely subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that the next time Elon Musk or any other company redefines the future, its complete story reaches you first. Thank you.